Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. In the beginning enter camera, enter more, tab button in the right corner and enter feature layout. Now you can edit camera modes for your start screen and more features. For example, let's add some modes to start screen by tapping and holding one icon and drag it in to start screen. You can also remove modes from start screen by dragging them back to more features. To confirm your layout, press this button. And as you can see, our start screen has changed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.